Jingnya kali kamdei ban Sngew bang ban muja Hynrei ka don ka Jingkitkhlieh ka bakraw omtang ye ubanya Hynrei ki ba syong kali bat ki ba yaj bayeng kani ka de ka khubor na ka Jingrakhe ka road safety wing ni ka tayo ka Jingshngan hasurok ka balapan long ka office u district transport officer ka Sngew Hills ringkat ka Bor district bat ka tanat pulit menta ka khatsaw tarik rampang arja arposaw hagani ka Jingrakhe ka balong hajaka yang kali persya ka SBI main branch Shillong Ladon ka Deputy Commissioner ka Sngew Hills ka Kong Roset Mary Kurba, USP Traffic, Kamakya Prasad, Nalor DTO bat kinong nya kali, kibalabam smairu banya daga Jingkitkhlieh. Habakran hak Jingrakhe, ka DC kalaong baka Jingim kalong ka bakordor bha, bat omde ban leka yaka. Kalaong bah haba pendep yaka hok, kadon kamru ban pendep yaka kamram daga Jingkitkhlieh. Kat ba USP Kamakya, ulaong baka Jingdi buat bat ka Jingnya kali, kalong ka bamensaw. Bat persya ya kaan bat kikimi kikpa ki ba Aisyah bi ki khun ki de ban tip ba ki de ban long ki bala biang ka karta namar bahakaan nada JAA kin syangat lang ula kentui kinong nya kali ban long ki ba disiplin hagani ka sngi na ka jing lab test ki doktor lalap ya ki babun kinong nya kali ki badan ka jing shitom ka jing bom biang ha ka bor yo i ha ka kam nya kali deitang ki ba biang ka jing kot jing khya ki la ban nya
Senat banyak speed haba biang ka surong, haba biang galanti, haba POE haba baik ka surong. Hynrei kita ki blind corners, what risk? Bon sin ni shim ada ni shim kabu dan ni shim nginong overconfident, mo kam tam gitu belanya, kam selam lah long overconfident lah, tiplut ya ka surong, mo pinya wood hang tu kan kawan kata ka jing mensau. So I just want to say that speed thrills, but it also kills. So please drive safely, drive slowly, and you'll reach home safely. Request ki pait ba kat kum kaan balapan mi nak Supreme Court. Bapila ban live fi gitu gibreu. Okay, ki kat ki good Samaritan. Please help people. Let a few ki baki accident halanti singkin what ki kumto what yelam met kashan mobile ban post up on Facebook na ban spread the wild like you know long viral ya ka the first step kum responsible citizen kalong ba pin phone ya ka 108 lane lada pidon ka kali please help pila ban save life namar bala dadang de iti golden hour hapo si kanta dang la ban yarap yaitu ibreu ban penpoi siya po hospital ban yo ya kajing yarap tela delay lanang lose ya ka snam jang itu ibreu tela nang kala nang duna kata ka jingkermen ba in like im tis ngo bha wat tiang yo piong bahap lek siya ka kot ba yo hap ban hajir hakut kamdan kum kata pila ban si one drop because it has happened to me kalang lajang ngaklam siya khot hang no hanuru but snow bha ban ra gitu ki ban yo accident hasurong live ki wood ra kitchen hospital kanang bakila ban yo jingyarang kata kadi ka request na kaliang ka jonga matagasngi na marangas nga
be surprised to know that 4 were having vision defect, 4 of the 53. 3 were diabetic, 20 were having high blood pressure, okay, and 35 were having high BMI, body mass index, okay. That means most of them were overweight. So what is the reason of all this? Okay, it's due to our lifestyle. So we need to change our lifestyle to be physically, mentally fit. Under the program NPNCD, National Program for Non-Communicable Diseases, right? Now we know that the deaths due to NCD is on the rise. Worldwide, more than 70% die due to non-communicable diseases. And in India alone, more than 60% of deaths are due to non-communicable diseases. And the risk factors are many, right? Kwai, Duma, alcohol, okay? These are the risk factors for non-communicable diseases. And once you have any of these, you are at risk when you are driving, you are at risk when you are walking around the road. Okay?
And the user itself. What we have experienced that in every year there are thousands of precious lives are lost due to the road accidents, and many of them they sustain the fatal injuries. The reason behind it is the reckless driving, speed, over speeding, and many speakers they have all attributed that the respect. They are not respecting each other rights. The state of intoxication itself is a crime, and as you know, that the fine is amounting to 10,000 rupees. If your driving, if your consumption limit exceeds more than 30 mg in per 100 ml plants, you are unable to control as per the NDIs. So it should not exceed beyond 30 mg. But I would say that while driving, please don't consume alcohol because you lose your judgment. When you are intoxicated, you do not know what is wrong and what is right. You are under the state of intoxication and you drive and you thrill yourself. That way you are endangering your life itself and endangering the life of others.